Alright, before we start our lesson today, we first pray according to our respective religions and beliefs. Okay, brothers and sisters, now we are absent, okay? Alright, brothers and sisters, our learning today is about fractions.
Alright, brothers and sisters, let's just get into the material. First, we will learn the basis concept of addition different forms of fractions. Brothers and sisters, when I explain, I hope you all pay attention and listen carefully.
Okay, basis concept of addition different forms of fractions. Suppose there is a cake in the shape of a scissor. This cake we cut into 4 pieces that are exactly the same. Then we eat 1 piece of the cake. The size of 1 piece of cake we call a quarter or 1/4 written quarter. If we cut the cake into 6 pieces that are exactly the same, then the size of 1 piece of cake we call 1/6, and so on. Unit fraction notation. The fractions are half, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, and so on are written as follows.
Okay, half, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 or 1/4, 1/5. Examples of problems adding fraction and how to solve them. Suppose Juni has 8 apples. A quarter was given to Rizky. How many apples did Rizky receive? For answer, there are 8 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can get a quarter of it after dividing it into 4 equal groups.
1, 2, group 1, 3, 4, group 2, 5, 6, group 3, 7, 8, group 4. So each group represents a quarter of the whole. How many apples are there in each group? There are 2 apples. So a quarter of the portions received by Rizky is as much as 2 apples. In this case, 1 unit is 8 people. Okay, brothers and sisters, let's move on to the next example problems, which is about solving 2 fractions with the same denominator and different denominator. Now, we will solve the problem of 2 fractions with the same denominator and different denominator.
Number 1. Okay, brothers and sisters, now let's move on to the last example questions. Together we solve story problems that are associated in everyday life related to addition and subtractions of 2 fractions, both with the same denominator and with different denominators. Mother has a freshly baked cake, then mother cut the cake into 10 pieces. Then Andi ate 2 parts of the cake, while Randy ate 1 part of the cake. How much of the cake have Andi
of cake. While Ranti 1 part cake.
So, the total cake that Andi and Ranti ate was 310. Okay, how are you guys? Up to this point, do you understand? If you don't understand, please ask. Alright, since no one asked, I assume you already understand. To find out the achievement of your indicators, I will share 5 practice questions for you to do in your respective books. I will give you 20 minutes to the practice questions. Alright, brothers and sisters, that's enough of what I have to say today. Before I end our meeting, let us pray according to our respective religions and belief. My brothers and sisters, really hope that what I have conveyed can be useful for all of you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom.